Welcome to a quick and clear guide on updating your Dropbox passcode. If you value your privacy and want to keep your files secure, changing your passcode regularly is a smart move. Let's walk through the steps in a simple, straight to the point way so you can update your security without any hassle. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to secure. Once the app is ready, you'll want to locate your account options. Tap on Accounts to access the layer where your personal and security settings live. This section is where you can manage who has access and how you access your data. From Accounts, look for Settings. Tap Settings to dive into more detailed preferences. Settings is the hub for customizing your experience, including how you protect your information. In this menu, you'll find various security-related options that let you tailor Dropbox to your needs. Next, tap on Configure Passcode. This option is specifically for managing the passcode itself. You'll see the current passcode setup here, along with the choice to adjust it. Selecting Configure Passcode takes you to the next step where you'll set a new passcode. Now tap on Change Passcode. This step signals Dropbox that you're ready to replace the old credential with a fresh one. By initiating Change Passcode, you'll start the process to verify your existing access and prepare for the new one. You'll be prompted to enter your old passcode. This verification step ensures that the person updating the security settings is indeed the account holder. Take a moment to enter the current code correctly, a small check that keeps your account safe from unauthorized changes. Finally, enter your new passcode and confirm it. Choose a code that's strong and unique, ideally a mix of numbers and letters if the option is available, or a robust numeric sequence if that's your preference. Re-enter the new code to confirm accuracy and you'll receive a success confirmation that your passcode has been updated. That's it. Your Dropbox passcode is now updated. A quick reminder, keep your new code somewhere secure and avoid sharing it. If you want to further boost security, consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection.